Okay, so what I've done was after I've saved my image as week 3 underscore lesson underscore archily.psd. Um, and the reason why it's such a long name is just so that it's really clear. It's from week 3, it's the lesson project and your name. So just in case you can't find it, you know how to search for it on your computer. If you didn't save it to your desktop and you're like, where did that thing go? Maybe you can find it that way. And also when you submit it to me, then it's really clear what that was for me, when I'm grading you. Okay, so that being said, I've got my before image opened up here, and then I also took a little snapshot from the image in Blackboard so that I can take a little preview of it. And the way that I've done that is normally when you open up 2 images in Photoshop, it looks like this. So I have this image and I have this image. And I just wanted to be able to view both at the same time. So I went to View, Arrange, Tile Vertically, and then it has both of them open. And then because I wanted to focus on this image over here, I just dragged the corner of that box, or the window rather, for the my edited version over and minimized that one. And if you want to zoom out of an image, you can go Control minus or Control plus to zoom in. And then for this one, I guess I could zoom out a little bit more. Control minus. And move it over like so in the corner. You have to, I know it's hard for some people, but it's just like a matter of hovering your mouse to the right corner to get the little symbol. Your mouse changes into a symbol to indicate what it's going to do once you click and start dragging. And sometimes it's hard, it's challenging to see what the symbol is or to get your mouse in the right position. I know for some people. Anyway, just be patient. It comes naturally after a while with enough investment. So the first step of this lesson, and I want to zoom in really quick to the after image, which is what we're shooting for. We're going to duplicate this big tall basket, and since it's going in the back, I'm going to work on that one first. And in doing so, we introduce the rectangular marquee tool first. So the marquee tools are pre-made shapes for selecting things. So it can grab anything really quickly, like you just click and drag a square around an object, and then you can move it. So if I go and grab my Move tool, the shortcut is V. If I can press V, or I can go up and click. Then I can move it over, and I've moved that portion of the image. And right now, it kind of filled in the old spot with white. But let me show you what happens if I don't have it. If I don't have it in my swatches over here, because the background swatch is white, it automatically fills this area with white. But let me show you what happens if it was reversed. Okay, so if I click this little bent arrow, it switches the foreground and the background colors. So now if I move my selection, it fills it with black. So if this is happening to you, or if, for example, you had it at a different color, like if it was red, I just double clicked on that swatch to get my color picker open. You can just click on different colors from here. But anyway, that's not part of the lesson. I'm just going to experiment. So for example, someone was working with this fuchsia color and you didn't set it back to default, then and you moved your vase. See, now it's not working. Interesting. Okay, let me try something. Okay, so if I deselect, which is Control D, and then reselect it again, whoops, click and drag, and then grab the Move tool or hit V and move it, then it's filling it with whatever this background swatch color was. So next we're going to go into the history panel, because right now this is not how I want it to look. So what do you do? In Photoshop, yes, you can go back in time. That's the beauty of it. That'll be in the